Guys, kanta muna tayo kahit wala sa tono. Dito tayo sa labas ngayon, guys. Nagpapapawis. Kanta tayo ng The Past. Kahit hindi ako marunong kumanta, guys. I was wrong when I hurt you. Did you have to hurt me too? Did you think reverse would make it better? I don't care about the fuss. I just want our love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you. You must forgive me. If you want to cry, to put things back the way they used to be. 'Cause there's no sense in going over and over the same things as before. So let us not bring the past anymore. Out of all the good we have, you only keep track of the bad. Truth you knew I never really loved her. Did anyone tell you yet? To forgive is to forget. How can you be mad if you don't remember? I must forgive you. You must forgive me. If you want to try to put things back the way it used to be. 'Cause there's no sense in going over the same things as before. So let us not bring the past anymore. Sige lang, guys. Matututo din ako, charot. Tumanda na lang ako, hindi pa rin magaling kumanta. I must forgive you, and you must forgive me too. It's the only thing that left that we have tried to do. One thing I'm sure will work that we haven't tried before. Let not bring the fuss up anymore. Hanggang dito lang muna ang ating song, guys. Thanks for watching.
Please hit like, share this